After installing the light controller, the light doesn't work. Have you ever encountered this situation? Today, this video is meant to share after installing the light control why the lamp do not work. There are three main reasons. Today, we mainly introduce the wrong wiring issue. As we all know, the wire scanner is different between America and Europe. Next, I will introduce the different meanings of each line color so that you could better vary. Like this socket. The black is live line, white neutral line, red is load line. The pink and purple is 0 to 10 voltage dimming line. The brown and orange is daily dimming line. The wrong wiring leads to the light doesn't work. If you need a more detailed wiring diagram or you want to the video to show how to wiring, you could contact us or to watch our video in the social media. That's all for this video. I hope it can help you better install and usage experience more pleasurable. Our next video will explain to you the second reason for lighting not work after installing Photocell. If you have any other questions, please leave a message to us. I'm Stella from Shanghai LongJoin. Bye bye.